What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Webull. If you'd like to help out the channel and get some free stock, make sure you check out my link below. Hey, I'm Chris saying in today's video is about this upcoming stock market crash / correction as well as inflation, guys. I want to give you a game plan on what you need to do, what you need to look out for, and what's on the horizon, guys. Okay, but listen, if I helped you in any way, whether I was helping you make some money or give you a new perspective on the stock market, please make sure you like and subscribe and join us on a journey. Without further ado, let's take a look at my portfolio. Okay, guys, let's talk about it, man. Today, on the day, your boy is down almost 3.5%. That is the equivalent of over $5,000, guys. Listen, every single play in my portfolio is red today. Okay, and that right there, along with what I'm gonna talk to you about today, is a sign that more danger is on the way. Okay, and so I want to prepare you guys for this, because for some of you it might weed you out the game. Okay, and I get that and understand that, but for some of you, you're going to see some buying opportunities that, again, not that you need to go buy right now. I'm talking about let this thing bottom out, and then a stock that you know, like, and love, that you've been dying to get at a certain price, you're going to get that opportunity. Okay, guys, let's take a look at this. On the week, I am down over 6%. That's $10,000. Let me show y'all something. On the month, I am down over 10%. That is $16,000. And then in the last 3 months, I'm down $31,000. I told you guys I'm competitive, and so I got to get that back. And I'm going to show you guys how just staying 10 toes down, not only will I make up $30,000 without ever adding one other dollar, come all the way back. Look at this, man. Your boy went from, I was at 175, okay, March 15th, okay. Now I'm all the way down to 145, okay. Listen, I'm showing you guys this because a lot of you, okay, this is your first time going through this level of volatility. But what you don't know and what you need to know is this: after a turnaround from a correction that we had in 2020, and then we were led back higher, okay, that following year, which is why I put you guys in the place that I put you in to begin with, that following year does this on a historical basis. This is, again, part of the game. However, we have to be strategic, we have to be nimble, we have to be flexible in terms of how we invest, how heavy we are at certain type of plays, and making sure that we are diverse. And so I want to talk to you guys a little bit about that today. Before we do that, let me give some love to everybody who hit it out the park with our Snapchat put option. Okay, I'm just going to show you right here. It went down to 50.79 for some of you. Again, all you needed it to do was get to 51.05. Major salute if you took money and took profit today. I know many of you hit it out the park yesterday as well, guys. Listen, I can do this for days. As a matter of fact, speaking of that, because this correction is coming, and because I feel like we got the best family on YouTube, meaning I prepared you in a way that I think you guys are going to navigate this time around a lot better than most, let's get ready to do a lot of puts moving forward. Matter of fact, speaking of puts, my options for beginner class is open for those of you that are new and or beginners that want to learn a game, that want to learn how to make money on a consistent basis through options, as well as take advantage of this downward pressure. Guys, make sure you sign up and take advantage of that. Go to my website, link is down below. Guys, really quickly, I got one quick example. I could have picked any stock to show you guys this with, but I want to quickly show you something. Okay, check out Palantir, ticker symbol PLTR. It just hit earnings out the park yesterday and was up. Remember, I told you that this is a pump fake. Okay, I told you Wall Street, they stay trying to trick you guys. This play is going to come down potentially more. I said 15, but in honesty, it can come down to $8. Who knows where it will end up? But check this out. It's down 6.7% or over 6.5% today. But look at this, guys. I want to show you something. Yes, I'm going to be buying more of this. I told you, because this is my high conviction play. But guys, sometimes you just hold through the storm as well. Again, I'm not trying to trigger taxes through the wazoo by selling every time a dip happens, every time Wall Street pulls an algorithm, and all the manipulation that's going on, guys. Sometimes I'm just going to sit and be still, average down when I can, maybe when I get some money. But other than that, you guys don't gotta buy the dip. You guys can stop. You've already did your job. Now you just gotta let the market sort itself out, and again, endure the pain. Go win in some other areas, maybe in crypto, or join us with the options like we kill it and crush it all the time. And then let these plays just come back organically, guys. I told you, I'm down 30,000. Most people won't even show you that. I'm down 30,000 over the last 3 months. And that's just because of these plays. I could have easily ditched them, but because I'm in these plays still and they're down, guys, guess what? I'm going to stay. I'm not taking a $30,000 loss. I can guarantee you that. You can't write that much money off, okay? So I'm going to sit in these plays, and when they all come back, it'll be a home run, just like Curiz was on today. Shout out to everybody who hit the home run with Curiz, man. Listen, guys, that's a prime example of when you least expect it, something can come out of the blue and take off to the moon. Major salute. Listen, guys, up next we have our word of the day, and our word of the day is inflation. Guys, Wall Street is always a day late and a dollar short, okay? Everything they say and do is just, they're behind. They're always 10 steps behind. Again, I fly a lot, I travel a lot, I speak all around the dang on world. I could have been told you, and this is why I'm telling you, invest in airlines. The airports and the airplanes are jam-packed. Okay, they don't know the cost of gas, a gallon of milk. They can't tell you anything until it's already too late. Inflation has been here, okay? Prices is sky high at the restaurants, at the grocery store. Matter of fact, the gas pipeline in Florida has went out, and you can't even scramble and get gas right now, okay? And I thank one of my loyal family members for sharing that with me. So guys, be on the lookout and do what you can to make sure that you are, again, being mindful of everything that's happening. There's a lot going on in the world right now, okay? And so, again, inflation is here, and inflation is going to kill high growth plays. Palantir, ChargePoint, BNGO, Future FinTech, Genius, IDX, Tattoo Chef. It's going to kill all those plays. You got to know that, okay? That's what comes to the territory. And then it's going to also, again, kill all tech plays. Apple, Facebook, Microsoft, okay? You guys need to know that, okay? I'm going to make sure I put that on you. I told you in advance, though, that it's to be expected that a correction typically happens in June. Right now, like I said this a couple weeks ago, many might try to say it now. I think we're kind of already revving it up in preparation to kind of transition right into June. Only thing I don't know, guys, is how long it will last. Hopefully it's short-lived, but we never know. With this kind of market, this year has been an anomaly. Anything that is supposed to be 1 or 2 weeks has went 2 or 3 months. Anything that was, again, April was supposed to be the best month in the stock market. It was all-time highs, but growth stocks were crushed, okay? May is supposed to sell in May and go away. No, we buy in May and we stay 10 toes down, guys. So, again, this is just a lot going on. Be on your A game, be on your P's and Q's, keep your head on the swivel. Up next, guys, we have our question of the day, and our question of the day comes from Christian Octavian Foyer. He says, "Hi Chris, it's going to be a long question. Thanks for taking the time to read and hope you can address this in the question of the day. Long story short, I did what Wall Street wanted, cut losses in March and April, but ended up buying some growth stocks since they were so attractive and had so much hype. BNGO, NEO, ChargePoint, can't even remember how many times I sold and bought in again here. Even today, I expected to drop beyond my average price, but I was fooled, and now it's even higher. I'm invested almost $9,000 with another $2,000 sitting on the side. Even sold Apple on FOMO today. Actual question is this: 442 shares of BNGO at $6.11, 56 shares of NEO at $38, 207 shares of Palantir at $22, 10 shares of Apple at $130. Now, should I buy ChargePoint at a dip around $20, or because I have a tremendous fear of missing out on this place since I don't own it anymore, or should I take the 2K sitting on the side, pour it into 25% in American Airlines, 25% Morgan Stanley, 25% in Cleveland Clips, and 25% in Viacom? Please take the time to address this and do me a huge favor and offer peace of mind. Also, huge thanks for the eye-opening thoughts in 2020. Didn't take those profits, got greedy. Now I'm learning and leaving with it." Christian, a phenomenal question. Yes, it was long, man, but I welcome anything you guys have for me, and any way I can be of service. That's what I'm all about. And you said so many things. I just want to give you some clear, concise guidance, okay? Right now, with the correction / crash, depending on what sector you look at on the horizon, I want you to hold your cash. Okay, cash is king in a recession. Okay, I say that at the end of every one of my videos. Cash is king in a recession, and cash is king in a crash as well. So since we have that coming up, you want to keep that 2K, and you want to look for the most attractive opportunities. And right now, even though I love Cleveland Cliffs and all those plays, yes, I want you in those, but not breaking 2,000 up into 25%. No. That's called spreading yourself thin. If you were to do that, and if you still wanted to get Cleveland Cliffs, which I recommend, or Viacom, which is another play I recommend, you would need to put the whole 2,000 in it. But since I want you to sit in cash, leave those be. You don't have them already, so don't grab them now. Hold the 2,000. Look for an attractive opportunity. When this correction / crash hits, then you pounce. Guys, keep it simple. Keep it smooth, man, and understand these are the buying opportunities you want, okay? I plan on coming out of this a very, very wealthy man, just because the stock market is giving me the gift that keeps on giving with these crashes, okay? Listen, guys, if you have comments, leave them below. I'll grab them and add them in my next video. Listen, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll see you all in the next one.